know People's National Party, one of the greatest party.
We the PNP country.
Fenton Ferguson, the best MP ever and will ever be around.
Trumpet has sounded, my countrymen all. So awake from your slumber and answer the call.
The People's National Party, it is great. It has done a wonderful thing for the country, thanks to Portia Simpson-Miller.
No other party in this country is united other than the people.
I pledge to be loyal and faithful.
Big up Mama Portia, you hear that? And Mama Portia to the world!
They are in Spanish town, taking roll call. Well, I am here, and I am the teacher, and I am going to mark them access. And I see a courage in all of you, because we're indivisible in the sight of God, and we're here for a purpose and a mission.
I hear the leader of the opposition say you are more at risk to suffer from crime and murder and don't and die under the PNP. But let me check the facts. The Prime Minister of Jamaica then in 2011 put the entire reputation of the government to shame. The Prime Minister put Jamaica at the disposal of the President of Tiddler Garden. I said to myself, you know, not like the chat. Because when Comrade Bunting licked him in the Parliament, he put up on the
They said to me, Sister B, light again, because we are ready. Told them I have to go around the country and check the starting blocks to see that everything is in place and that everything is going to be all right.
So anybody, when we vex for something, that don't change the fact that the PNP is still the best people to move Jamaica.
PNP wire them 14 parish wiring.
Big up Mama P, and we say PNP. Power, straight.
PNP about man, no matter what they want to say. Anywhere me there, me follow Portia anywhere.